નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Good morning students, how are you all? See, we wear different types of clothes made from different types of fabrics like cotton, then silk, jute, wool. Okay, according to the different seasons we wear different types of clothes made from different types of fabrics. So there are many fabrics which are made at different places and they are famous by that fabric also. For examples, patola from Patan, then malmal from Dhaka, then shawl from Kullu, then Madhubani paintings, then silk from Assam, embroidery from Kashmir and Kutch, then Bandhani from Jaipur, then Bangalore silk from Bengaluru. So, and Banarasi sari from Banaras. So these are some of the famous fabrics of India. So among these all, today we are going to learn about one famous fabric, that is patola. So let us start our chapter number 22, patola. So patola is mostly made in Patan. So you all might have not seen patola. So there might be patola in your house. So ask your mummy to show you what is patola and how it looks. Moksh and Nirmal live in Salaivada of Patan. Their home is always filled with bundles of bright colored silk threads. Their mother Kokilaben and father Ashok Bhai and everyone in family are weavers. The weaving that they do is very beautiful and special. So this Moksh and Nirmal, they are living in a place named Salaivada of Patan. And their homes are always filled with bundle. Why? Because their mother Kokilaben and father Ashok Bhai and the other family members, they are weavers. Weavers means the person who weaves the cloth, that is called weaver. Okay, and so their house is always filled with bundles of silk thread, because the cloth they are weaving, it is made from silk. So that's why they need silk threads to weave that cloth. Okay, and the weaving that they are doing, it is very beautiful and special. So how it is special, that we will see in this chapter. From many centuries, Salaivi families are living in Salaivada. The special weaving work done by them is known as patola. Nowadays, here patola house is established to inform Indian people and the people from all over the world about their special weaving work. So, from many centuries, means from many years ago, Salaivi families are living in Salaivada in Patan. So the special weaving work that they are doing, it is known as patola. And nowadays in Patan they have also built one patola house, so that the people living in India and all over the world, they would come to know about this special art of Salaivi families. The craftsmen who made Rani Ki Vav in Patan, they also had used this design of patola in their stonework. The poets of Gujarat has also discussed about this craft in their folk songs like Chela Jire Mari Haru Patan Thi Patola Mogha Laujo. So there is one famous ancient art, that is Rani Ki Vav. So in that they have, it is made of big stones and also they are crafted. So the craftsman who has made this art, they have crafted the design of patola in the stones of Rani Ki Vav. So whenever you visit this Rani Ki Vav, design of patola on the stones. And also Gujarati poets, they have also mentioned about this patola in the folk song. And which is that folk song, that is also given here. Now Moksh and Nirmal's parents learned this art from their parents. Now Moksh and Nirmal also helped their parents after coming back from school and learning this art. So as we have learned that Nirmal and Moksh's parents are doing the weaving, but from where they have learned? So they have learned from their parents. And now Moksh and Nirmal, they are also helping their parents in this art, and also they are learning this art from their parents. Okay. Now on page number 167, you can everybody see this picture on page number 167. So in this picture you can see, first of all there is the one sari is given, that is patola, and how it is made, that you can see in this picture. So you can see silk thread that the persons are weaving and making designs in that cloth. So that also you can see in this picture. Now then the next topic is from thread to cloth. So from the silk thread, how it is made a perfect patola sari. The threads which are used to weave patola is made from mulberry silk, which is white. Father brings this silk thread from outside. The threads are opened and made into a green. After that, design is made on that. Designed thread is tied thereafter, which is called bandhani work. So as we know that patola is made from a silk. So it is made from the mulberry silk, which is white in color. Okay. So his father has to bring this thread from outside. So after that they will open that thread and made into a green, means pass it on a zigzag. After that design is made in that green. Okay. And then that design they will tied with a thread which is called bandhani. So सबसे पहले वो लोग क्या करते हैं कि उन थ्रेड को खोलते हैं, फिर उन्हें क्रिस क्रॉस मींस ऊपर से नीचे एक थ्रेड में से दूसरे में पास करते हैं, फिर उस थ्रेड को वो टाई करते हैं, जिसे बोलते हैं बांधनी। किस तरह से वो लोग बांधनी अरेंज करते हैं, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द डिजाइन ऑफ दैट पटोला। The part which has to be dyed is kept open, and according to the measurement it is dyed and tied up again. This work is hard and time consuming. So जिस पार्ट में उन्हें डाई मीन्स कलर करना होता है, वो पार्ट को ओपन करते हैं, ओपन ही रखते हैं, और जहाँ पर उन्हें कलर नहीं चाहिए वहाँ पर वो थ्रेड टाई कर देते हैं, जिससे वहाँ कलर ना लगे। दिस इज द वे हाउ इट इज टाइड, एंड आफ्टर दैट दे विल डाई दैट क्लॉथ, and this work is very hard and time consuming. Time consuming means it needs lot of time. When grid is designed and finished dyeing, after that it is put up on handloom for weaving. So after designing the grid and dyeing, that cloth is kept on a handloom for weaving. So hence after the hard work of 4 to 6 months, beautiful and colorful patola is prepared. So after the hard work of 6 months, one patola is completed. Means to complete one patola they need at least 6 months. So first of all they have to bring silk thread, then they have to open and put it in a grid, then they have to tie it, then dye, then weave according to the design. So all this work needs 6 months. The grid is is why it is saying in Gujarati that પડી પટોલા ભાત ફાટે પણ ફીટે નહીં. So the grid that they are using to color, so color they have used to dye that grid, they are natural colors, so that they are not harmful. And the silk they are using, it is mulberry silk, so the color and silk, they both are very costly, and the durability of that patola is also, it will remain for many years, so that you can use that patola for many years. आप सालों साल भी उस पटोला को यूज करोगे, फिर भी उसके कलर्स फेड नहीं होंगे. फेड मीन्स डल नहीं होंगे. इट विल रिमेन द सेम. So that's why there is one saying in Gujarati also that पड़ी पटोला भात फाटे पण फीटे नहीं, मीन्स वो कपड़ा फट सकता है लेकिन उसके कलर नहीं मिटेंगे. Now handicraft is in danger. In the preparation of patola, care and patience are required for the skill of weaving, designing and dyeing. So as we know that it will take a lot of time, means it is a time consuming method or preparation of patola, right? So the person might have to be patient. So lot of care means उसे बहुत ध्यान भी रखना पड़ता है और पेशेंस भी, because it is a time consuming process. So lot of care and patience are required for this skill, means weaving, then after that designing and dyeing. So all these process needs patience. It is hard work of many days. Mulberry silk and colors are very costly, so patola are sold at very high cost. So as we know that it is a very hard work done by these Salvi families. So that, and the mulberry silk that they are using and the color that they are using, natural colors, right? So both the silk and the colors, they are very costly. So that's why the cost of patola, original patola, it is very high. So in the pattern you can buy patola, so the starting price of the patola might be from the 1 lakh rupees. उसकी starting price है, because it is a very hard work and a time consuming process, and also the material that they are using, it is very costly. So that's why the cost of patola is also very high. Earlier there were 700 families connected with these handicraft, but now only 3 families are trying to keep these handicraft alive. Many people have left this occupation. So there is one story also. See, before many years, जो पाटन के जो किंग थे, वो जो ड्रेस पहनते थे वो महाराष्ट्र से मंगाते थे, which was made from पटोला. So महाराष्ट्र के किंग क्या करते थे, वो क्लॉथ पहले पहन लेते थे एक बार, बाद में वो इन सब किंग्स को वो क्लॉथ बेचते थे. तो जो पाटन के जो किंग थे उन्हें ये बात पता चली, तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उस महाराष्ट्र के वो स्टेट पर उन्होंने अटैक किया. फिर उसे जीतने के बाद वो जो वीवर्स थे, जो साल्वी फैमिलीज थे, 700 फैमिलीज, उनको वो लोग पाटन में लेके आए. फिर वहाँ पे वो साल्वी फैमिलीज सेटल हुए और वहाँ पे उन्होंने ये पटोला बनाने का स्टार्ट किया. So from that years, Salvi families are living in Patan, but now only 3 families are connected with this art. Slowly all the other families have stopped making this patola. Patola handicraft is not only the pride of Patan, but it is the dignity and pride of Gujarat and India. So patola handicraft is not only pride for but it is the pride for Gujarat and also for India, because patola made in Patan, it is exported in many other countries all over the world. So that's why it is pride of India also. Patola is precious and unique identity of ancient heritage and Indian culture. It is going to be vanished. For that we have to give good price of patola and help the Kasbis. Otherwise this precious art will be vanished. So the patola they are making, it is very precious and unique identity of ancient heritage. Ancient heritage means हमारी धरोहर, okay, and it is also Indian culture, and it is now going to be vanished because many of the people have left this occupation. So to save this art, we have to give proper price of these patolas so that they can get proper money for their work and they will continue this occupation. So by this only we can save this art. Otherwise slowly this art will be vanished. So if we don't give them the proper money, then the remaining families they will also leave this occupation, and in future we will not be able to see patola also. So to save this art, it is our duty to give proper price of their hard work. Okay, so in this chapter we have learned about one art of Gujarat, that is patola. So how it is made, that we have learned, and how much hard work the Salvis family which are making this patola they have to do, and also this art is very costly and it needs lot of care and patience to make patola. So now everybody, all of you came to know how this patola is made and how hard working the people who are making patola they are. So everybody clear this chapter now?
Thank you for joining us.